Bakit sa Pilipinas, they don't want their children to learn Tagalog because we're in America. In America, we speak English. Filipinos that grow up here, it's very common for them to not know Tagalog. I think that's not good.
That's not good. That's not good. If you are born and raised in the Philippines, you try to speak English so that they will call you, wow, socialize.
Social.
Social.
Yeah.
Wow, ang galing.
In the Philippines, it shows that you're more educated if you know English. They brought that over here to America. It's more normalized to not know Tagalog, just speak English.
Just speak English.
But it's not good because then we forget our
Culture.
mother tongue, our culture.
Di magandang halimbawa sa isang Pilipino.
Bakit ganyan, Daddy? Lahat. It's rare to find people in America that's
Kukunti
born
lang
and raised that
ang
know
nagkakaroon
Tagalog.
ng interes na magsalita ng Tagalog dito kasi nandito tayo sa Amerika eh. Oo, pero kung nasa Pilipinas tayo, pipilitin mo magsalita ng English para magiging sabihin natin, wow, class, you are educated because you can say anything in English language. Ganun yun. Baliktad.
Baliktad. Why am I learning Tagalog now?
Bakit kasi hindi ka nag-aral ng Tagalog nung ikaw ay malit pa? Dahil, bakit hindi mo sinabi sa mga magulang mo na turuan ka ng Tagalog? Bakit? Hindi natin umpisahan na magsalta ng Tagalog dito sa bahay. Kaya wala, hindi kayo kagaya ng kapatid mo, wala ring alam.
Kaya wala.
Oo. Ikaw, ngayon ka lang nagkaka-interest na na magsalta, mag-aral ng Tagalog.
Yeah.
Dahil ayaw mo mawala yung kultura sa iyong pagka-Pilipino.
Opo.
Ganun yun.
Opo.